If one day all of us go into this route to just go with the animal-free, this could be a revolution, I guess, in the research.
Animal Free Research UK fund a number of summer studentship programmes each year. This year we've run our first summer students summer training event for those students, and this has been a 2-day event where we aim to give those students really important skills as early career researchers to promote themselves and their research on social media, engage the general public, so undertake some form of science communication, and to develop important skills to think about their future career, so whether that might be CV development or how to network and collaborate with other scientists.
People on the street must understand what you're talking about, particularly if it's a really important message, like there's been a policy change or something like that.
I'm particularly interested in fetal bovine serum and changing it for human serum and seeing what effect that has on blood vessel cells. Interestingly, a lot of the experimental design and things I was able to do myself, and I was allowed to talk with suppliers of particular reagents. And what surprised me was the difference in price and availability of animal-free alternatives to animal products, because the prices are almost double or triple, and realising just how many animal products are used currently changed a lot of how I thought about the way research is done, and how hopefully in the future we can change it to avoid using these animal products.
I think summer student program is the best opportunity to network with other people, to know their research. It's very great to see how people are passionate about animal-free research, and it's good to see that everyone is moving towards replacing animal models to humanized models, which is quite close representation of the actual human diseases.
Tonight at our gala dinner in celebration of our summer studentship. We have some trustees, we have our supporters, and we have some of our undergraduate scientists and their supervisors from numerous research institutions all around the country.
This event has been really useful for them to develop their career skills. It's not an experience that they get as part of their undergraduate degree. They interact with people from their course, whereas coming to an event like this, they see the much bigger world of research, kind of figure out what they want to do with their research at the end.
What I've liked most about going into AFR UK is it's really opened my eyes to the amount of animal products that are used normally just in labs, in culturing cells, all the time. I've learned a lot of research planning skills. I've been trained on a lot more equipment than I would done if I'd just done my undergraduate degree, so now I can put that on my CV.
Summer school so far has actually been really helpful, and it has a great opportunity for networking, but also a great opportunity to learn more about communicating science through different mediums, in a way promoting the research and gaining awareness of what other people are doing.
I have a very strong belief that to understand human disease we should have human models, and so the mantra that we have in our research institute and in our centre is human models for human disease. A lot of these studentships fund preliminary pioneering pieces of work, so we often have ideas, pieces of work that we would like to develop and see whether we can take it further into a full-blown project, and these studentships are just the right period of time to do that. These are going to be the leaders of research in the future, and so we need to nurture their careers early on. They need the support of more experienced academics to understand how to basically, navigate their way through the minefield that is academia, and their research and postdoctoral research, and how to develop their careers.